if you are fine and safe at your home. Students, in previous videos, I give you the format of letter writing. Now today I will give you some examples of formal letter and informal letter. So here the first question is, you are Rajendra Sharma living at 69/C, Begumpur, New Delhi. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper about the bad condition of water supply in your locality. So students, this one is a formal letter. Here you write a letter to the एडिटर ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर. यहाँ पर आप लेटर जो है वो न्यूज़पेपर के एडिटर को लिखेंगे, क्योंकि जो आपकी लोकेलिटी है, आपकी जो कॉलोनी है, वहाँ पर जो पानी की है वो बहुत बुरी कंडीशन है, बैड कंडीशन है. तो सबसे पहले, जैसे मैंने आपको प्रीवियस वीडियोस में बताया कि हम सबसे पहले सेंडर्स एड्रेस लिखते हैं. सेंडर्स एड्रेस मतलब भेजने वाले का पता. सो एज यू सी हियर इन द क्वेश्चन देयर इज सेंडर्स एड्रेस. जैसा आप देख रहे हैं क्वेश्चन में सेंडर्स एड्रेस गिवन है 69/C, Begumpur, New Delhi. So first you write here the sender's address 69/C, Begumpur, New Delhi, and you write the letter in. After the sender's address you write the date, in which date you write a letter. So here 8th Feb, here you mention the year. Now you have to write a letter to the editor. So you write the editor, write the newspaper name, the Hindustan Times, New Delhi. After that salutation, here sir, then subject. What is the subject of letter? Polluted water supply in Begumpur. Now after the subject you write the body of the letter. What in body of the letter you write, through your daily newspaper, I want to bring the kind notice of the concerning authorities towards the insufficient, poor quality and contaminated water supply to the residents of Begumpur. Due to the improper and irregular supply of water caused great difficulty of the residents of said area. Moreover, the supplying water is muddy and foul smelling with hanging particles floating in it. It is contaminated and not fit for drinking. Some people have caught the diseases like jaundice, typhoid and dysentery after drinking it. Hereby this letter I want to request you being look into our genuine grievance and take necessary action to improve the quality and supply of water in our locality. Thanking in anticipation. Then closing of letter, yours sincerely, Rajendra Sharma. As this name is mentioned in your question, so you have to write the formal letter like that. Here students, there is one example of informal letter, the letter which is also called as personal. Now question is, write a letter to your friend inviting him to spend some days with you in the coming summer vacation. कि इस लेटर में आपको अपने फ्रेंड को लेटर लिखना है जिसमें आप उसे इनवाइट कर रहे हो कि समर वेकेशन में वो कुछ दिन आपके साथ बिताए. सो एज वी राइट इन द फॉर्मल लेटर, फर्स्ट यू राइट द सेंडर्स एड्रेस. हियर यू राइट योर एड्रेस 29 महावीर रोड, इंदौर. देन देयर इज नो यूज ऑफ राइटिंग द सेंडर्स रिसीवर्स एड्रेस. हियर, Dear Jitendra, this is the name of your friend and dear is the salutation. Namaste. I am fine here and hope the same for you. My examinations are over. I invite you to spend some days with me in the coming summer vacation. We shall go to Mandu for sightseeing. I am sure we shall enjoy the visit. All of us are waiting for you. Please convey my regards to mother and father. Rest is okay and reply soon. Here closing of letter, yours sincerely, Anil. Here students, this is the example of informal letter or personal letter. So you have to write these letters in your notebook and practice it, and thoroughly study the format of the formal letter and informal letter. आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि फॉर्मल लेटर्स को हमें किस तरह से लिखना है और इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स को किस तरह से लिखना है और क्या क्या चीजें उसमें पॉइंट आउट करनी रहती है.